Hello guys, I'm Joyce of Code with Joyce, and today what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of magic on our application, which is gonna be like this. You can change activities like go up or go left, like this. Let's just get started. So in this tutorial, all we need is 2 activities and 2 layout for each of the activity, like this. So I already set this. And with the activity 1, I only have 2 buttons. So if I click go up button, our activity 1 will slice out from our screen, and our activity 2 will gonna slice in from the bottom. And if I click a go left button, our activity 1 will gonna move out to the left, and activity 2 gonna slice in from the right side of our screen. So what we need to do is go to the resource directory and make an animation resource directory, which are going to name anim or animation. You need to choose one of those, otherwise it will not work. So I'll choose anim this time. Let's make a 2 animation file for this go up button. First one we're going to make is for activity 1 to get out of the screen. So I'll just name this as slide up and out, like this. Let's make this one first. Put the translated in it, and in our translate tag, we need to set 3 attributes. First one is Android from Y delta to Y delta and duration, like this. About the XY delta, let's go back to our layout. And if we see this layout, this part is X and Y are both 0%, and this part is X and Y are both 100%. And Y coordinates increases in this way, and X coordinates increase in this way. And X coordinate decreases in this way, and Y coordinate decreases in this way. And plus, every view is aligned according to the position of the left top side of itself. So for this layout, we can tell this is positioned to 0, since its left top point is located at 0.0, like this. So we need to move this point to somewhere this point. Like, we need to move this point to somewhere this point. So go to the animation file, and from Y delta is 0, right? Right now is 0. The 2 delta to minus 100% P. And duration, there is a prefix already, integer, and config long ending time, like this. And this is the old. Just copy this. Okay. Copy this, and I will make one more animation file. Slide up, and this one is a animation for the activity 2. Slice in. Okay. Y delta is from 100%, and it will gonna move to 0. Like left top point will move to the 0. So activity 2 was here, like this, and it goes up like this. Okay. And let's set this. So first we need to configure our buttons. Go up button. View by ID. Okay. Casted. RID. Okay. Button 1. Button go left. Button find view ID RID button 2. Okay, and set on click listener. Implement. Oh, no. Use on click listener. Then we're gonna get this red line and set the on-click listener to our button. And set on-click listener. this. If view get ID equals but our ID button 1, then we're gonna move, right? Let's make this view get ID equals our ID button 2, and we're gonna make an intent. This to activity 2 class, and start activity intent. And this is the important part. We're gonna do override depending transition. So we're gonna put a 2 animation as a parameter. First one is which is gonna go into our screen, and second one which is gonna go out of our screen. So this first one is for activity 2, and second one is activity 1. So for activity 2, we need to slide in, right? So R anim slide up in, and R anim slide out for our activity 1. So this is it. Okay, let's run it. And I think it is installing application, and this is the app that I'm working on right now. Yeah, this is pretty 5-pager. Okay, so let's press this button. It goes up like this. And if we remove this bar, I think it will be prettier. I don't know. And let's do it again. So it goes up. It moves like this. So you can set the duration or whatever you want to do. So let's work on the second animation, which is going to go left side. This time I'll just simply name this as slide out for activity 1 and slide in. Like this, simple. So what we need to change this time is not the Y, but it's the X, right? Translate. It's same 3 attributes that we need to fix. Under 2 accidental, it needs to be for under from accidental tab. So in our slide in, let's do the slide out first for our activity 1 first. Android from accidental tab. Android from 2 x delta, no y delta. Android duration. Okay, from x delta. X delta I was 0. But we want to move to the outside of the screen, which is going to be 100% P. Don't forget to close it. And just copy and paste. And this one was, so, okay, let me show you. So this one was, activity 2 was here, and it was like invisible like this, and X was 100%. And I want to move the position of X to 0, like this, to the left. So go to the slide in, I will change this to 100% P, and I want to move this to 0. And what we're going to do is the same thing, just copy this, and slide, first one was for activity 2, so slide in, and slide out. So let's check it. Okay, let's run it on our virtual device and wait a bit. Again, my project. So if I click go up, it goes up, and if I click go left, it goes left. Perfect. So this is it. If this video was helpful for you, like this video, maybe subscribe my channel. It will be really appreciated. Bye.